sometimes when it comes to cryptocurrency investing, the whales and the big institutions have an advantage over retail investors like you and I. TruePNL is changing all of that by giving you two easy-to-use tools that give retail investors a fair shot when it comes to cryptocurrency investing. They've got both a Launchpad that gives you a fair opportunity to invest in new and up-and-coming cryptocurrency projects, and they've got a Robo trading bot that can help perform technical analysis and trading strategies on your behalf. In this video, I'll show you both of these features and explain how they can simplify your cryptocurrency experience. Hey everyone, and welcome. This is Robert with Altcoin Buzz, and in today's video I'm really excited to share two tools that I think can be beneficial for your cryptocurrency journey. Now obviously at the start of the video I do have to say nothing is financial advice, and these are simply two tools that are designed to help make your journey easier if you choose to use them. So TruePNL has two separate tools which are both beneficial. The first is their Launchpad, which gives you the ability to invest into up-and-coming cryptocurrency products in a fair way. The second is their Robo trading marketplace, which gives you algorithmic trading strategies and trades cryptocurrency for you on your behalf. So again, these are two interesting features, both of which I'll discuss in this video, starting with the Robo trading marketplace. So when we talk about Robo trading, it relies on technical analysis. Now, I'm someone that's had economics degrees, business degrees, and even with that training, I personally don't feel comfortable doing my own technical analysis. It's something that requires a lot of skill, it's something that requires a lot of intuition and time to master. That being said, using a Robo Advisor is something that can perform this for you. So what you can see here, TruePNL has a Robo Trading Advisor that has certain different strategies that you can use. You are able to get started for free, and it is partnered with Binance. So with this Robo Trading strategy, there's basically different options. You can choose to go into an Ethereum/Tether trading strategy, and the bot will do that for you. The best thing about this is it's set it and forget it. So once you connect your account, once you set up this trading strategy and you start it, everything else is carried out automatically. You don't have to check it, it does it all for you. Your funds are still stored on your exchange account. Obviously, they are still your funds. And one thing I do want to point out is this is done through Binance, right? So your funds aren't sitting on your Trust wallet, for example. It's done through your Binance account. So in order to use this, you will need to have a Binance account. As a US resident, I do not have a Binance account. I have a Binance.us account, but I'll still go through and show you the steps of how to set this up. So as you can see here, they have a variety of different bots that allow you to select the strategy that works best for you. They've got the ETH USDT triple EMA with a 3-month return of 61%, Bitcoin USDT 44%, again Bitcoin USDT Zigzag RS 38%. They've got a lot of different bots here for you to choose the strategy that you want. So DOT, Ethereum, just going through this, XRP, a variety of different ones, all completely dependent on what you want to do and how you choose to invest. So now that we've seen a couple of the bots, a couple of the different historical returns, and again, when I say historical returns, it's important to remember that something that went up 200% last year might not do the same this year. So that being said, choosing what bot you want to use is completely up to you. One thing I do want to point out before we jump into showing you how it works is that all of the trading strategies used here have been audited by the team before they're added to the platform. So with that being said, let's jump right into it and let's create a free account. In order to create an account, we will need an email and a password. Now, I've already set up an account, so I'll just skip through this step, but it's a very simple process. Now, once we are logged in, you will see basically a completely blank screen. Thankfully, they have an easy to use article that will show us how to set up a trading bot. So the first thing that we need to do is, obviously, as I said, we need that Binance account. If we don't have one, we can sign up using their referral link. I do have an account already, so we can skip that step. Open the API management page and give an API key a label and hit the API button. So we're going to go ahead and follow this link, and don't worry, I will leave all of this in the description so that you can follow along and use the exact same resources that I'm using. Okay, so now that I'm logged into Binance, I'm going to go down to this API management, and I'm going to give this API key a label. So we're going to go with TruePNL bot, and we're going to go ahead and create that. We are going to have to authenticate with Google Authenticator. not only do we have to authenticate with Google Authenticator, but we also have to go and verify through our email as well. So as you can see, they're trying to put a lot of different security steps into this when we're considering giving up an API key and giving this bot access to our account. Once we create that new API key, it will be listed there in our Binance account. Okay, so this is where things start to break off. Up to now, I've shown you how to do it on a Binance US account. If you have a real Binance account, you're going to have an additional feature that I will not have, and that is the ability to edit restrictions and enable future trades. So if I go to my account here, you will see that I do not have the ability to edit futures trades. So this is going to be the key difference between a regular account and a Binance.us account. If you did, all you would have to do is come down here, edit that restrictions, and enable your futures trading. Obviously, we can't do that, but we're going to keep going just to show you the process of how to set this up. Now, we will want both of these API keys here in a minute, so copy them down or just leave this page open because we're going to need these keys to connect them to the trading bot on TruePNL. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back to TruePNL and choose which trading bot we want. And again, just for the purpose of this, I'm going to go with the Ethereum to USDT triple EMA. I want to go ahead and connect that strategy. And again, this is where we need these API keys. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new API. And again, we're simply going to label this TruePNL. Obviously, it is going through Binance. And we're going to copy both the API key and the secret key into this. Once we have that complete, we will go ahead and click create. Now to actually go and link the trading bot to our account, we will select that API key that we just created, and then we enter a minimum amount. So we want to give it access to trade $100 worth of USDT, and then we will click start trading. Now, this is where things get different because although I did go through the exact same process and set it up, I've actually tried this for myself personally, and again, I think it's because I didn't have the official Binance account. I didn't have that futures trading. It wasn't able to work for me, but those are the steps of how you actually go through, how you actually set up that account. One additional feature that TruePNL has that can help you on your cryptocurrency journey is their Launchpad, which is a fair distribution Launchpad with guaranteed allocation. So a lot of times with these Launchpads, it's hard for beginning investors to get into it. This is designed to help you with that. So just to go over a little bit of the features, this is designed to make trading transparent, approachable, and understandable for both newcomers and experts by providing them with analytical tools and market-proven strategies. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on a Launchpad here. This is a fair distribution model that is designed to maximally and fairly distribute the allocation between real users and exclude the participation of bots and multi-accounts. Any user has a high chance to get a guaranteed allocation of token sales in the TruePNL Launchpad. So this is designed to eliminate things such as sniper bots, centralization of token distribution, and then obviously whales being allowed to obtain the biggest share of the pie in these public sales. By contrast, the PNL G pool lets an investor get a guaranteed allocation which depends on their contribution to the TruePNL ecosystem. So the pool is built off the basis of the off-chain PNGL point, showing the value of every user's contributions. At the moment, you can participate in these pools if you hold a PNL token, invite referrals, or provide PNL liquidity on Uniswap. So what they're doing is they're really redesigning this and making sure that your allocation of the token distribution is based on how much you contribute to the PNL ecosystem. So what I wanted to do was just go through this infographic here they have on their website that shows you a little bit about how this pool works. Obviously, you will earn the PNLG tokens simply by holding PNL in your ETH wallet. So simply holding this, you get a 2.5% PNLG daily rewards on Uniswap when you stake that PNL. You can choose the project that you're going to invest in, and then you spend that PNLG to get guaranteed allocation in the project. When the pool is closed, you will receive your guaranteed allocation depending on how much you have staked. You can then claim your allocation in the project by swapping that USDC. So what you're basically doing is holding that PNL, holding that PNLG determines how much of the upcoming project that you're going to get. Then once you get that determination, you actually go through, you buy your tokens with USDC. So this obviously works for people that are considering investing. However, it's also a way for projects to launch on the platform as well. So what you can see here is that the first accelerated project will be announced in 14 days and about 5 hours. So not only does it give you as an investor the shot of getting a guaranteed allocation of tokens, but it's a way of having these projects launch on the Launchpad. So what you can see here, different projects can apply for the IDO and they can list their projects on the PNL Launchpad as well. With the PNL token, obviously, as I said, that is your key to getting in on some of these IDOs, some of these token launches. So if you want to get this token, and again, not telling you to invest, not telling you not to invest, but you can get it on Uniswap. So if we simply follow the link that they had on their website, it will give us the ability to import this token, which we are going to do. So just to show you here on Uniswap, we do have the ability of going from Tether to PNL. One Tether getting us about 14.5 PNL, or to say that in a different way, each PNL token being valued at about 7 cents. We have TruePNL being listed here on CoinGecko as well with a price of about 7 cents, 24-hour trading volume of about $12,000, market cap of just under $1 million, and a circulating supply of about 12.5 million. So with that being said, I also want to go and briefly take a look at the tokenomics. So when it comes to the actual utility of the token, there's a variety of features both on-chain as well as off-chain. So for on-chain features, it's going to be a fee reduction for DeFi products utilizing the TruePNL protocol, liquidity staking in DeFi protocols, impact mining utilizing as a collateral investment in DeFi portfolio, and then obviously the main case that we talked about was that TruePNL token being used to grant that PNLG and determining your allocation when you're investing in some of these upcoming cryptocurrency projects, some of these IDOs. There is also off-chain features for this as well, so they can be used as a means of payment in collateral commission pools, a variety of lending, different types of farming, fee reduction for using TruePNL products. So a variety of different use cases there for the token. With that being said, I want to close out by talking about the roadmap, some of the upcoming features. So as you can see right now, the Robo trading marketplace is currently live. As we talked about, that TruePNL, that IDO Launchpad, that's something that their first accelerated project we're looking at coming in about 14 days. In the future, moving forward, we're looking at a community ETF, so invest in community-driven portfolios, and then an on-chain derivatives protocol. If we look at their one-pager, and again, this is really cool because it tells you the basics, what you need to know about the project in just one page. So you don't have to read through a 30-page white paper. Again, I'll leave the links to all of this. It's their one-pager. It tells their roadmap for the project. So right now, Q2 2021, we've hit these milestones. Q3 2021, connecting FTX, BitMEX, Binance Spot to the Robo trading system, hackathons, central exchange listings. Q4, entering the DeFi space with impact mining implementation, the community ETF launch, more available services for off-chain services, and then Q1 of 2022, Polkadot integration. So again, I always like when these projects focus on branching out to other chains because I really do believe the future of cryptocurrency isn't going to be just on one chain. It's not going to be just Ethereum or just Binance. It's not going to be just Polkadot. It's going to be different chains working together. So when a project has this forward-thinking mindset and already is talking about integrating with other chains, I generally think that is a good thing. That being said, I'd just like to wrap everything up and go back to the general purpose here of TruePNL. The main goal is to help retail investors with their cryptocurrency journey. As part of that, they've got a lot of features on the horizon, but even right now, they have two features that can help you out a lot. The first is this Robo trading marketplace, which if you have a Binance account, easily allows you to connect a trading bot that will trade on your behalf, perform all that technical analysis for you. The second is their Launchpad, which allows you to easily get a guaranteed allocation of upcoming token launches. So two features that are designed to make your life easier as a cryptocurrency investor. I hope you found these features useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.